Welcome everyone. Today I'm back with a new design, marble nail. As you can see on the screen, I have chosen a bluish and whitish marble look. It might look a bit difficult, but trust me, it's very simple to create. So let's get started with today's video. Start by applying the first layer of gel polish in blue. Make sure to apply it thickly because we won't be using second layer. Apply the blue gel polish evenly all over the entire nail, covering every part. Once done with the first layer, we are not going to cure it yet because we are going to do the design first and then we are going to cure it. Next, take a white gel polish and create a line in the middle of the nail. Let the white gel polish flow naturally. Then using a toothpick, create several lines alternatively on the white gel polish as you see on the screen. I am using a toothpick because it creates a thin strokes or lines which are essential for achieving the marble effect. I choose a toothpick over a nail art brush because a nail art brush tends to create thicker lines, which isn't suitable for marble nail art. You can also use a safety pin for this specific technique as both will work effectively. Just avoid using a nail art brush to ensure you get the desired marble effect. Next, take a toothpick and use it to create a design by making circles and connecting them. Follow the same pattern on the white gel polish, allowing it to flow naturally. As you continue connecting the circles, the marble effect will start to form automatically. As you create circular motion on one side of the nail, remember to mirror the same motion onto the opposite side. Whether you are working on the right or the left side, the design will flow naturally in both directions. This ensures a balanced marble effect across the entire nail. Now cure it under UV light for 30 seconds to let it dry. Next, apply a top shiny coat over the entire nail. This will add extra shine to our nail design and seal it, making it last longer. Make sure to apply the top coat evenly over the nail. After applying, cure it under UV light for 30 seconds to let it dry. And there you have it, our design is complete. Wasn't that easy? If you gave it a try, let me know into the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to my channel to stay updated about future videos. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.